Sacar, as I said before, the main meaning is to take out. To take out. For example, I can say, saca la basura, por favor. Saca la basura, por favor. Saca is a command, saca. But even though you have a command here, don't forget to say the phrase, por favor. Por favor. It's a good idea. It's a good idea. This means take out the garbage, please. Okay? So as I said a few seconds ago, saca. Saca is a command. It's like you're saying tú saca, okay? But you don't need to. You don't need to. The pronoun tú, you don't need. Saca. Especially when you have a command, you don't need the pronoun. Saca means take out. La basura. Basura means garbage. La is a definite article and it means the feminine definite article. La basura, the garbage. Por favor. Well, you know this phrase really well. It means please. Saca la basura, por favor. Take out the garbage, please. So you can use the verb sacar if you want to say that. If you want someone to take out the garbage, or if you're going to take out the garbage, you can use this verb. You're literally taking something out, or you're taking out in this situation la basura. Excellent. Now, let's see another example. Voy a sacar algo de mi bolsa. Voy a sacar algo de mi bolsa. Okay? Bolsa. Sacar algo. What does it mean? This means, the whole sentence means, I'm going to take something out of my bag. Okay? You're just taking something out. It could be, I don't know, money, cosmetics, whatever you have in a bag or in your purse. Mi bolsa means, bolsa means bag, but also it means purse. Okay, so if you have a purse, if you are carrying a purse, you can say bolsa. Obviously, there's some more technical term like bolsa de mano, but no one says that. No one says that. You just call it bolsa. Okay, bolsa. Okay. Let's break this down. Voy a is a great little phrase that means I'm going to, okay? And it's used often to say that you're going to do something. So voy a is not a complete phrase, of course, and you have to add more to that. In this situation, a verb, sacar. Voy a sacar. You need sacar in the infinitive way, which means you do not conjugate the verb. You just leave it as it is, sacar, just like that with the ending AR. And that means take out. Remember, take out. Algo. Oh, by the way, if you want, you can, if you're planning on using voy a in the future to say something else, you can just replace sacar with anything else. It could be caminar, to walk, comer, to eat. Voy a comer. I'm going to eat, ... Voy a sacar. I'm going to take something out. Voy a caminar. I'm going to walk. Okay? So that's something important to remember. Sorry about that. Algo means something. Okay? Algo, something. So this is a great term to just be vague about something. You're not specifically saying what, you're just saying something. Algo, algo. And the interesting thing about this word is that it doesn't have a feminine form, doesn't have a plural form, so you can only just replace algo, okay? Something, something. De means of, mi, my, bolsa, bag or purse, okay? Any kind of bag, really. It could be a paper bag, it could be a purse, it could be I don't know, backpack is different, mochila, right? You probably, if you watch Dora the Explorer, she says mochila, right? I think she says that. So mochila is backpack. I'm just gonna put it here, mochila. I like that word. It sounds pretty nice. Mochila, mochila, backpack, okay? But bolsa means purse or bag. The other term I told you was bolsa de mano, which no one really says. It's the technical the technical term for purse, but really no one says bolsa de mano. No one says that. No one says that. Just bolsa is fine. Okay, bolsa. Like that. That's very interesting.